from Andhra Pradesh, from Telugu community. Today I can say proudly within 25 years, if you go to any country in the world, highest per capita income earners are Indians. Among Indians, 33% are from Telugu community in my state. That is the power of public policy. Now I am talking artificial intelligence and also quantum valley, quantum computing. First time in India we are establishing quantum computing, IBM, TCS, L&T. Already we have come to an understanding. By 1st January 2026, quantum computing is going to operate from India, that is in Amaravati. I am saying, America is having Silicon Valley. India is having Quantum Valley, that is in Amaravati. So you can imagine now technology, how we are going to use it in all walks of life. Today, all of you are here. I can say one thing, my government totally is online. WhatsApp governance. Around 575 services are online today. By August 15th, no citizen not necessary to go to any office. Tomorrow, once you decide to invest Andhra Pradesh, from then onwards, it is our responsibility to make it successful. All permissions will be given online. You need not go to any office. I am assuring you, this is my responsibility to handhold and get it done. This is how we are going to use. Already we are using technology in a big way. Even Dubai and also UAE is using technology. Here we are going one step further. India is having advantage of Aadhaar, unique authentication of every citizen. Even Dubai and also UAE is doing. And at the same time, we are making use of all these things. Family as a unit, how to bring geotagging of every house, every family we are going to nurture. There is a data lake. There I can monitor every individual, every family, every program, so that we can empower every citizen. That is how we are working. By using artificial intelligence, your name, health, education, skill, everything we are going to plan. By doing all these things, our plan is 2.4 trillion economy. Per capita income is $43,000 by 2047. It is India, I know UAE already reached $50,000. We want to compete with you. We are having everything. And also you are having all opportunities here. Friends, you are all aware, our goal is wealthy, healthy, happy society. That is our goal. No poverty in Andhra Pradesh, that is our mission. For this we are launching one more program as on today, P3 Public-Private Partnership. Through public-private partnership, we are doing all infrastructure works, even roads, airports, ports, telecommunication, power, everything. Now I am launching one more program, that is P4, Public-Private People Partnership. High net worth individuals top 10% as to adopt bottom 20%. Provide bandwidth, managerial skills, handhold, timely assistance. You have to first 2029. There won't be any poor people according to World Bank standards. 100% above poverty is our aim. After that, how to reduce inequalities between haves and have-nots. That is where Dubai and also UAE government you have done extremely well. To do all these things, as on today, 24 public policies we have brought, 15 sectoral specific policies we are able to bring here. Just now, Yusuf Ali has rightly mentioned, I wanted to straighten the record. Lulu is a very demanding product. Everybody wanted to have Lulu shopping in their respective states, not only in India, globally also. I used to meet him in Davos regularly. And also at one stage, Venkaiah Naidu, before he became vice president, he used to come. He had a very good equation with him. One day he met there. I asked him to come to Andhra Pradesh. Then he told me, let us see. Because his product is very demandable, and also Lulu, everybody is asking. He is calculatively moving forward. 4 or 5 times I requested him, you come. Wherever I meet, I used to chase him. I met so many times in Davos. All times I used to ask him to come to Andhra Pradesh. Finally he asked me, why can't you come to Cochin, you see? If you like, then I will come. All the way to get a shopping mall, I spent one day by going to Cochin and seeing